Alright, so went to Target, and we got Blaster Box Panini Contenders 2018. 40 cards per box, 1 autograph or memorabilia card per box, and then we got the new optic donruss. You get 3 exclusive blue velocity parallels, 15 cards inside. So which one do you want to do first?
This.
Alright, we'll do this one first. So we'll save the parallels for last, which would be the white pack. And you go ahead and... You want me to open up... You want to open up the parallels? Alright, so I'll open up the first and third pack. You can open up the second and parallel. So, 4 cards per pack. They had the blaster box too, but I didn't get that. We got Isaiah Thomas with the Cavs. Court Kings, Ben Simmons. That's cool. Rated rookie Terrence Ferguson. And Doug McDermott. They look really cool. Really nice looking cards. I might get a box next time.
Yeah, Ben Simmons is a freaking beast.
Huh?
Ben Simmons is a beast.
Yeah, I might end up getting a box next time. There wasn't any guaranteed hits in the box though. Alright, so here's the next one. I'll have my son.
Brandon Ingram. Reggie Miller.
Oh, nice.
Um,
What are you marketing?
George Hill.
George Hill. So
Now with the Cavs.
Reggie Jackson. Court Kings Dirk Nowitzki. Rated rookie Ike Anigbogu. And Alfariq Aminu. So that's the regular cards, and then I'll let him open up the parallels that you get with them. It was $10 at Target. The blaster box was $20. You got more cards. Like I said, I don't think there's really a guaranteed hit. Them are really cool looking.
Gordon Hayward. Frank Mason.
Ooh, nice. Frank Mason, rookie.
Willie
Kelly
Cauley-Stein.
Stein from Kansas City.
That's pretty cool.
So got a Kansas Jayhawk and a... That's what they look like. They're really cool looking.
Look, double zero and zero.
I know in the blaster box you do get a numbered card, but we're KU fans, so the Frank Mason card is really cool. That's like our 5th rookie card that we've got of him. About 6. Alright, so now we'll open up the blaster box, which you get the 1 guaranteed hit. 40 cards.
Can't you get more than one?
Well, I don't know. That would be cool. Alright. I'm not even going to look at it. Alright. Okay, so here we go. I'll open up the first pack and then he can go next. It's basically, I think the hits on the last 2, I think I saved it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. We've opened up some other ones of these, but we've never got the blaster box. So J.J. Redick, Nikolai Jokic, Harrison Barnes, Jusuf Nurkic, got a backwards Kobe Bryant winning ticket. That's cool.
Then we just get
and we just got a Kobe Bryant jersey card out of our last break, out of the card crate. Paul Millsap, Dario Saric, and D. Rose. All right, your turn.
Chandler Parsons, Dirk Nowitzki, LeBron James,
LBJ.
Donovan Mitchell.
That's cool. Winning ticket.
Nice Karl Anthony Towns, most valuable contenders. Marcus Morris, Jabari Parker, Al Horford.
Got this year's MVP, James Harden, DeAndre Jordan, Jordan Clarkson, Bojan Bogdanovic. Got a Rudy Gobert playing the numbers game. Anthony Davis, Trevor Booker, CP3. You want to open up the hit?
No, that isn't mine anymore.
Alright, I'll let you open up the hit. I'll open up this one and then I'll let you do the hit. Alright. Crap. Rodney Hood. Clint Capella. Zach Randolph. Got a Klay Thompson. Front row seat. Got a Steph Curry. Winning numbers. Thompson and Curry back to back.
Oh, that's an old
Got Andrew Wiggins. Dwight Howard. And another Steph Curry. That's a good pack. Alright, so the hit will be in this one. I'll let him do it and I'll slide it to the back.
Chris Paul, Blake Griffin, Devin Booker, John Wall, Malcolm Brogdon, Jeremy Lin, Dwayne Wade.
And the hit is a rookie.
John Collins.
John Collins. Oh, look at that jersey. That's cool. I like that. Is it numbered? Turn around. Not numbered.
Pretty
But that's
cool.
cool. I
color,
like
though,
that. I like the jersey. It's 2-color jersey, so that's really, really cool.
Yeah. It
I
has
like
a part
that.
of his number or something.
Yeah, it has like a part of the. Well, you see how it's in the jersey.
Oh yeah.
That's cool. All right, so that's it. I'm probably gonna go. I'll probably get another box of the Contenders because a lot of people have been getting Alonzo Ball out of their jersey, and that's what I'm trying to get. And then I'll probably get a box of the optic also to see what else we can get. So, all right.